Do you want to explore more colors of the cotton to the core yarn in DK? Here I've been playing with jade green, and a quick disclaimer, I received this yarn free to try. So I've been doing a amigurumi turtle, but I decided to double the yarn, and you can see my stitches. They look gorgeous in that jaded green color. You can see the halo of the yarn. Isn't that pretty? And my hook just glides through the stitches, and I enjoy working on my little project. These are 50-gram skeins, and they have quite a yardage, so I think I'll have enough to maybe make a couple of turtles, and I'm so excited to work with that. I wanted to share a different color from cotton to the core in DK weight. A quick disclaimer here, I received this yarn free to try. So I decided to try and see how does a Tunisian crochet works with this yarn. And look what I got. What a beauty. What a great fabric it creates. I've been enjoying working with it so much. I wanted to share pumpkin orange color from cotton to the core in DK weight. This time I decided to knit with it. And here what I got. Look at this texture, so beautiful. I tried some moss stitch here, a purl and a knit, a purl and a knit. Oh my gosh, it's such a pleasure to work. I'll turn this one into a headband, into a summer headband. The cotton and acrylic blend gives such a great result here, and it will be a great for a summer headband. I just love it. I wanted to share Tweed Twinkles by KnitPal, and you know, when it's time for baby shower, what the best gift you can give is a handmade gift. So let's see what we can do with it. But quick disclaimer here, I received this yarn free to try. So I started making little baby socks. Aren't these the cutest? So the yarn is so soft, and it's such a pleasure to knit with it. So this is my little baby sock. It's for about 0 to 1 month size. And of course, with the sock, we need a hat, right? So I started crocheting a little hat. It's gonna go sideways. So it's turning so soft and squishy. And this will be a great little set. A hat and baby socks. And look at the definition of those stitches here. I wanted to share Wool Wonders by KnitPal, and quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. But look at these colors, aren't they just gorgeous? This is a 4-weight yarn, and it's wool blend, but it is just soft and gorgeous. And I tried Tunisian crochet, and just look at this transition of the colors. I will make a skinny scarf with it, starting from very thin beginning, and I'll end up just like this. But look at the definition of the stitches and look at the colors. I just loved it. Okay, and I also tried knitting with it, and just purl. I just purled both sides, and it is just gorgeous. Cannot stop playing with it and touching it. It's so beautiful. I wanted to share Retro Glam by KnitPal, and this is a 3-weight yarn, and such a pretty yarn. I started crocheting a triangle shawl, and it's much better in person. It has this sheen. It feels like I'm working with real gold. That's how it feels like. It's very soft and it's very squishy. That halo is just very pretty. And that sheen under the halo just completes the look. This will look so great. It makes it almost like a formal. It's so dainty and pretty and soft, and it's such a pleasure to work. And I'm using 4.5 millimeters crochet hook,